but we pick up alongside him, Marques. The green flag then waves a throttle, lights out, and we are racing here at the Italian Grand from KTM star Jack Miller by the Australian. He just powers on by Pecco Bagnaia on the interstandard line for the feet on the inside of Bagnaia. Superb by the Aussie.
Luca Marini looks like he's up to second corner. Then we've got Jorge Martin further back. Marc Marquez down to bit.
So that didn't happen in the sprint yesterday with Alex Marquez's early exit. Marco on Johan Zarco. That was getting really tight, wasn't it? Through they go into for the first time. Breathtaking part of this Mugello circuit, and it's Pecco Bagnaia exactly where attacking going into fast Arabi. Marc Marquez almost tagged the back there on the brakes for Marc Marquez down into turn number 10. He's able to regroup and sit in that fifth
forward to the Vassarenti not so Marco Vincenzi's hopes of going with Pecco Bagnaia in the front of the field. And look, and his chief championship rival has lost the place.
Jack Miller's now going to be reliant. Your buddy Bagnaia going to click into his rhythm here and potentially try just a little bit wide there, wasn't he? Coming through turn number 4. Marini just got along. Miller and Marini carve each other up. This is just allowing Bagnaia and Martin to start.
Lap is staying with Bagnaia but not getting any closer to him. So Jorge Martin,
big shadow by his younger sibling Alex Marquez. Starter. Surely Luca Marini, if he's got any aspirations of a fairy tale home win here. Yellow flags are out in sector 4. We must have lost somebody at the final corner.
Once again, it's just playing beautifully into the hands of Bagnaia and Martin. Martin's at
his own 6, 7, 8 kilometres now as fast. You have to adjust your braking mark. Really disturbing there with them. They're clearly the two fastest on the circuit. The Alex Marquez behind Miller. What? How did he pick his way through there? How Marco Bezzecchi and Marc Marquez got away with that one. There we go. Back to the line where Jack Miller was already sitting. That was Alex Marquez. He only had to do that. He had to run a slam into his brother Marc Marquez. Simon, that was really, really scary. Just looked like Alex. At the moment, Bagnaia and Martin are in a completely different race to everybody else.
They were Vincent for Jonas Folger on the first lap. He didn't each other for lap times last time round. Both in the high 140. Sweeney is matching the leading pair. And now through on Brad. Cannot make any progress.
Yeah, and he will see Bagnaia just streaking away. You'll see he's going to have a big task on his hands to find his way fine in this year's MotoGP World Championship. There he is there. Marco Bezzecchi pouching, and he took him back through on the exit there. Frankie Morbidelli's ahead of this pair. Sprint yesterday. On board Quattararo's Yamaha then as he sweeps into the fast lane. 9-8 on that lap number 5. And able to go with temperature and pressure. The ambient temperature pre-race was nudging up to nearly 30 degrees. Home podium for him here in Mugello.
Yeah, they're actually a couple of tenths quicker than Marquez, and so far through the third sector, reaching that lead at around a half-second point. But Martin is always quicker in that final sector.
Tired because he's just lost. Oh, Marquez down! He's gone down! Not saving that one, and it's another DNF Spaniard Marc Marquez. He's looking at that stricken. Seems completely bewildered there by what happened. Simon, you caught an eye that one. Couldn't cope with it. Early win. Yeah, thanks to that, Simon. You can clearly see his reaction. That is the first time in his Grand Prix career. Back at the front, Bagnaia at the moment looking in complete control of tyres if he is to figure in the late podium battle. He's had the special taste for home podium Moto2, but this is a different ball game, isn't it? MotoGP catch a good break at the moment, can they? This is a replay there. Lined up some slipstream behind Luca Marini's Ducati. He went into turn number 15, but what can I do? This is what happens when you're on the ragged edge, when you're pushing to the limit.
Past Jack Miller at the start of this lap has now let the Australian through, and as he slipstreams his way through on Aleix Espargaro. This is a damage limitation afternoon for Marc behind Pecco Bagnaia in the World Championship. That lead is going to grow significantly.
With Jack Miller on that run down the first corner, since then he has been in control of 0.3 of a second. We have to factor in Lewis, don't we? Keep this pace. He's still walking wounded from that ugly cut. He's going to be riding on pure adrenaline right now, isn't he, Marini, to hang on to that home podium.
It's lap 10 of 23 as Bagnaia comes through the Vicini corner where he's been so matching him, keeping him with inside. Here's Martin just sticking there at higher. Last time around there was just 200 of a second between their lap times, both doing 1:47. Alex Marquez and Zarco were a tenth quicker.
Yeah, for 2 or 3 laps in a row now, Marini markedly superior pace to our top 2 men in this Grand Prix so far. We're on board with Fabio.
If Pecco would struggle to stay up front, you know, he's on the medium, and Martin behind, are obviously managing it carefully, you know, so they don't wreck their tyre. So you've got to think towards the end of the race that Bagnaia and Zarco, all on the medium rears, are going to be stronger and might
be more of that one, yeah. Traditional wisdom would suggest that Simon just keep a close eye on, because whether it's been rain or shine in 2020 pace towards other races. Johan Zarco, there he is, the number 5 in P5. Well, let's hope for his sake and for the crypto data on F sake there's been no serious muscle damage, serious ligament damage. The inside goes Alex Marquez. Is he going to hold that inside line? No, he's not. There's not a lot of room, but he took it. Now then, Marini versus Marquez. This could get pretty feisty.
Zarco's eyes will be lighting up just behind, and Zarco started the lap just half a second behind, and he'll close in the more quicker than both of the two riders ahead of him. So this could well be a four-way squabble.
It's Jorge Marti and Alex Marquez having to stress and overwork that Italian Grand Prix. 12 laps to go, so 11
have a sniff and try and give Bagnaia a different look. Make Bagnaia ready. What we saw talked about at the start of the season when Vinales was chasing Bagnaia. He was able to follow through whilst the chasing pack could not. Last time around, Martin was a shame.
Marini versus Marquez, take 2. Well, this time around, and blocking anyway back through for Luca Marini. So now then, having dispensed
to date, but at the moment, Marquez holds third place. He's not been able to gap Marini just yet. We've seen plenty of times as they come onto the main straight. It appears as if he's got
170 miles an hour. He's scrubbing off in that braking zone to San Donato in what, just a couple of 100 metres. The Ducati fans, particularly for Alex Marquez, there'll be big brownie points here in the Grazini Ducati squad if he can take a podium in their home race. Luca Marini is desperate to stack him over the line very, very shortly. Our top 2 men. Bagnaia is over the line. Still a 9/10 is the gap between him and Marti. He did take 4/10 out of the Prima Planet Racing man.
That was a big lap for Bagnaia, that 1:47.1. His quickest lap was out of a podium position.
Well, that's a gift, isn't it, for Marini. The Marquez boys crash out when fighting for the podium here in the chase. He's going to just tuck the front, isn't he, there? Through turn number 2, promising start to his Ducati career since his term as podium here to continue his great recent run. Here comes Zarco on the latest spec. Well, let's be honest, if it wasn't for the fact that Pecco Bagnaia out, it would be really thankful to neutral that Pecco Bagnaia has, as he mentioned, otherwise he could be going to summer break. I don't think it's an exaggeration to say.
The rest of the pack might feel they've got slightly more of a fighting chance against the Ducatis next weekend at the Sachs Light. Grunt, power, straight line speed is necessarily the biggest advantage. Marquez, of course, so good around at the moment. He's certainly going to limit the damage. That would be the situation at the moment. Martin would probably
23 undoubtedly has been Marco Bezzecchi, but just at the worst, because that would be after 1 and 2 section. Quattararo is still outside the top 10.
Yeah, the fact that he's staring at the rear tyre of his teammate Frankie Morbidelli, that one please. Quattararo, and that's all the encouragement that Johan Zarco needs. He goes by the Johan Zarco. We know that Marini's not too shabby. Reclaim third place once again.
There is evidence, not what you need. Yeah, he is going to be suffering. Zarco's going to go for it again on that change of direction. That's going to make contact as well. Now looking forward from Marini towards Zarco. A chunk of points to keep himself in the early battle of the top 3 in the world. He's traditionally and normally very, very strong in the opening half of the season. What a leader though, Pecco Bagnaia. This is just a dream scenario for him. 5 laps to go. Jorge Martin, who you just think now is going to bunk it down, isn't he? And there's nothing that Martin can do. 1.5 seconds he remains behind Bagnaia. Coming through in the background there was Brad Binder, who's having a very lonely 5th place run. Angry Marc Marquez. There goes his hopes of the Mugello podium. But he just turned around and was staring at that Honda. Is his patience
is getting a little bit demoralised, isn't he, with his current Sunday fortune? Still yet to
stand clear. I am ready to win, and if I can deal with Honda, great. Don't care what brand. I'm only here for one thing, and that's to win. The R46 Racing Team boss looks on. Can Luca Marini fighting strongly? It's not going to come in time for him to chase down Jorge Martin in the 10th and 11th between Bastianini and the 2 factory Yamahas. Past Bastianini and just lost it again on the main straight. Bastianini taking that back in 10th, 10th and 11th. Maverick Vinales has just taken 12th place, a scoring record on the Sunday intact this year. He's just gone past Mikel win, isn't it, for Marquez when he goes to Germany. He's won his last 11 of next weekend. You do wonder if that just starts throwing more doubt in his mind to get themselves out of this massive hole they find themselves in right now. Fair and a dream double win here in front of his home crowd in Italy. Jorge Martin, he's just eased up ever so slightly just to make sure that there are points and more clear at the top of the title chase. Fairy tale, they're going up as a schoolboy excellent as a junior racer, especially if you're from Italy. We can hear the air horns going off. He drops down through Casanova.
He's under control now. He's pulled out another 3/10 on that last lap over Luke. Over a second of an advantage now for Zarco. Will be a 1-2 of the Bologna Bullets at their home Grand Prix. Pecco Bagnaia is coming towards from the Ducatistas as he comes through Corentaio. He's just got the italianGP Italian Grand Prix victory.
He's about to bury the pole jinxers that's been hanging over management. Through Biondetti 1 and 2. Pecco Bagnaia goes, what a day in their home Grand Prix. The top 5 in yesterday's sprint. They're going to take the top to a stunning 6th place. He beats Jack Miller, the checkered flag, by less than a tenth of a second. He's been the big points scorer on Sunday so far this year, but say briefly on the run into first corner, and that was about it. He didn't see anybody else. For Davide. Once again, mastering Mugello was Pecco Bagnaia. The Ducati found feet. Bagnaia on the foot pegs of his Ducati.